music video. First, it's gonna start like this. Jenny, 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 Jenna. And you never be like a Jenny, 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 Jenny. I'm actually stealing a song, but I don't want to steal a song. Let me put my own song. Have you ever known that I am alive, alive? Why are you having good month? Not Natalie side. I know. Natalie is always copying. They do it on the same day. You know that one where they doing that thing where like 5 days ago. Natalie did it 5 days ago. Brooke Monk did it 5 days ago. I don't know which one did it first, but it doesn't matter. Everyone's copying now, but it's not fair. You guys are confronting Natalie Reynolds for copying Brooke Monk, and you guys are also confronting Capri for cheating on Piper. I know Piper made his whole life, but everyone also cheats. Everyone cheats too. So guys, stop doing this. You guys like doing that. Natalie Reynolds is not at fault here. Brooke Monk is not at fault here. Alice, Capri, or Piper is not at fault here. Nobody is at fault. So guys, stop creating this hate. I'm begging you, please. Please, please, please.